moment generating function. Moment generating function is abbreviated that as MGF, and which gives the expectation of e to the power tx of the random variable x. So MGF of a random variable x is given by expectation of e to the power tx. So mean of a random variable is given by expectation of x. So in the same way, moment generating function or MGF of a random variable is given by expectation of e to the power tx, which is written by, in case of discrete random variable, it is written as summation e to the power tx into px, where px is the probability mass function of the random variable. That means if the random variable is discrete, then the probability function is called probability mass function, and in that case, that means for a discrete random variable, the MGF is given by summation e to the power tx into px. But the MGF of a continuous random variable is given by integrating e to the power tx fx dx from the lowest point. Suppose lowest point of the variable, suppose this variable x takes values from a to b, then the integration from a to b e to the power tx fx dx will give us the probability moment generating function of the random variable x if the variable x lies between a and b, that is lowest point and highest point is a and b respectively. Now in case of our normal distribution, the variable x lies between minus infinity and plus infinity. That means the value of x can take value as small as minus infinity and as large as plus infinity. So x takes any value from minus infinity to plus infinity. If we take a real line where the point is 0, on the right hand side of 0 all the values are positive, 1 2 3 4 etc., and on the left hand side it will be minus 1 minus 2 etc. up to minus infinity. So x takes the value from minus infinity to plus infinity, then integrating the function from minus infinity to plus infinity multiplied by e to the power tx, which gives the moment generating function of normal distribution. Here again another notation of MGF is mxt, where m for moment generating function, the variable is written as suffix x, capital X, and like a variable t. So mxt is the notation for moment generating function. So the moment generating function of normal distribution will be integrating from minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power tx fx dx. Now we can substitute the value for f of x for normal distribution, which is 1 by sigma root over twice pi exponential minus x minus mu whole square divided by 2 sigma square. Since the 1 by sigma root over twice pi is a constant, so you can write down outside the integration sign. Then if we substitute z equal to x minus mu by sigma, which is a standard normal variate, suppose we are substituting z for x minus mu by sigma. Now this, if we differentiate dz, it will be 1 by sigma dx, or dx equal to, if you cross multiply, it will be sigma into dz. After the substitution, again for this x we can also substitute for x. So if z equal to x minus mu by sigma, so if you cross multiply, it will be z sigma equal to x minus mu, ultimately x equal to mu plus z times of sigma. Since we have we are transforming the variable from x to z. So value of x will be in terms of z, it is mu plus z sigma. So here it is e to the power tx, t will remain same, so mu plus sigma z for x, then exponential x minus mu by sigma whole square, it will be z square by 2 dz. Now this sigma, as I told you, dx equal to sigma into dz, so sigma was there with dz, this sigma, and so dx is sigma into dz after substitution, so this sigma and this sigma get cancelled, then the remaining part will be 1 by root over twice pi minus infinity to plus infinity exponential. If we combine this t into mu plus sigma z exponential minus z square by 2 dz, then it will require t mu. T mu is a constant, so we can write down outside the integration sign. Now 1 by root over twice pi also constant, minus infinity to plus infinity exponential, this exponential minus z square by 2. Again this is exponential of t into sigma z, t sigma z, this will also come t sigma z. So if you write within a bracket, so minus minus plus, this 2 and this numerator 2 will cancel, ultimately it will be t sigma z, then dz. So it will be t mu 1 by 2 twice pi minus infinity to plus infinity exponential, we are writing as a in terms of a minus b whole square, where a is z minus sigma t is the b, z minus sigma t whole square. Some one additional term is taken and one is subtracted. Again this it will be mu t, so exponential sigma square t square, this is a constant term, it is coming out of the integration sign, then 1 by 2 over twice pi is there, exponential minus half z minus sigma t whole square dz. So it will remain same, it will be mu t plus t square sigma square 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 over twice pi exponential. Again for this value z minus sigma t, another substitution is taken, z minus sigma t as suppose u, then dz equal to du. So for dz it becomes du, and z minus sigma t is u, so z minus sigma t whole square is exponential u square, and this 2 is denominator. Now this is nothing but in the form of standard normal variate. This standard normal variate is 1 by root over twice pi integrating minus infinity to plus infinity, so any function phi of z dz, which is equal to 1, because we are integrating the function from minus infinity to plus infinity, the entire function, so total probability is 1. So it is, if you compare with this 1 by root over twice pi summation integration minus infinity to plus infinity exponential, just I am writing u in place of z, so u square by 2, so phi z is actually, sorry, this is not phi z, it will be exponential minus z square by 2 dz. So this is same, exponential minus e square by 2 du, which is exponential minus z square by 2 dz, and 1 by root over twice pi, this is 1 by root over twice pi, so this is equal to 1. So value of this integration is equal to 1. So ultimately we have this mxt moment generating function is equal to e to the power mu t plus t square sigma square by 2. So this is e to the power mu t plus t square sigma square by 2. This is called the moment generating function of normal distribution.